Hello everyone, it's World Nature Conservation Day today. An important conservation project was announced last month in June 2023, and I'm thrilled to be in collaboration with the groups supporting the Cowichan Estuary Restoration Project on Vancouver Island. I've put together a few videos for you to watch today. Now my videos are filmed on the Fraser River Estuary here in Vancouver. But if you look in the background of some of them, you can see Vancouver Island, and that's where the Cowichan River is. Estuaries play such a major role. Although they take up only 2.3% of British Columbia's coastline, they support over 80% of its coastal wildlife. I'll put up links to the Cowichan Estuary Restoration Project in my description. Please take a look at it and show your support. Have a great World Nature Conservation Day, everyone.